First off, I wanna thank all my haters.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome.
It's on my team.
Guys, good morning. Saturday morning, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So hope you just sit back, relax, and makwasawagwan. Alright, I'm gonna brown stew some fish today, and I'm gonna brown stew the fish my way. Okay? You know, the concept remains the same. However, we can tweak and do a little of whatever we like, the way we like it. So my stove is always on the pot and ready to go. Let's add some oil to that. Not too much, because we don't want a lot of oil in our food. If we make gravy, we make. Me personally, I don't allow the oil to get too hot before I put the vegetables in, because I want to be in control. Once the oil starts to separate, then I know that it's getting hotter. Okay, so I'm not gonna allow the pot to get too hot before I put the vegetables in. These are what I'm using today. You can use whatever vegetable you like, but today this is what I have and this is what I'm using. Some tomato, carrot, thyme, onion, and green onion. And I'm just gonna add that to the pot. Ooh, okay. Now, that's what I'm talking about. I don't want it to get too hot. I have some bell pepper, garlic, and some scotch bonnet pepper. We're just gonna saute this until it's kind of translucent. We move from there. All right, guys, this is coming along nicely. At this point, I have nothing scheduled to do, but what I'm gonna do is, I have some pimento here. This is a lot. I'm not gonna use all of this. I pound them a little bit and just pour a few pieces out in there. Make sure the stove is not too hot. I have some fish and meat sauce. Oops. I just add a little bit of that to it. Put that to the side. I have my fish here. It's already fried. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to the pot. I wanna add it to the pot, my life. Just put that all over. I hope you guys can see. And after I do that, I have some ketchup. I just add a little ketchup to it, as much as you like. I love ketchup and I love fish and meat sauce, so it depends on you. I have some ginger. I have a little bit more garlic. Garlic cannot be too much. That's for me. Remember, everything depends on you. I love minced onions, so I just add a little bit more to it. The sodium content I'm very careful with. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to the pot. What I'm gonna use instead of water, I'm gonna use a little bit of vegetable broth. You can use chicken broth, seafood, whatever you want. You can use anything you want. And you put as much as you want to make as much juice, as they call it, as you want, okay? And we just swivel that side by side. So I have some fish seasoning. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. I got this from Jamaica. And if you want, you can put a little seasoned salt or whatever you want. And then we're gonna cover that and allow it to cook, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. We did not alter anything, we did not add anything, we did not do anything, and this is the magic. I told you it's very easy. It's not hard. If you should follow my instruction, the result would be the same, because there's no alteration here. You guys know I love to shake the pot. I'm gonna try to turn this fish around. Okay, at this point we're just making gravy and allowing the fish to cook. You understand? Because remember, so the fish fry already, you know, so we just want it soaked through. But if when you check your pot, your gravy you have is not enough, you can just add some more vegetable broth to it. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. And just shake it again. I'm gonna allow this to cook for maybe another 2 minutes. Cover your pot tightly so it will steam and soften the fish. Wow, beautiful. One brown stew fish coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this and show you guys what it looks like on a plate. Let's turn the stove off. Never forget to turn your stove off. As for me, I always unplug my cooktop. Time for us to plate our fish. Can I get this out of the pot without breaking the head off? Some people love a lot of vegetable on their plate, some don't. It depends on the person that you're cooking for. Here is the finished product. The sun is hitting this fish differently. This looks so amazing. Let's turn it around. Nice, don't it? All right, I will definitely tell you guys how this tastes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my videos, share them with your friends, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.